for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, every night. Papa been school since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise to, do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Puff. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace, keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace, with my peace. Packing, asking who want it. You got it, nigga, flaunt it. That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken your soul. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken your soul.
I put hoes in NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace. All Philly hoes know it's Moschino. Every cutie with the booty or the coochie. Now who's the real dookie? Meaning who's really the shit? Them niggas ride dick.
Say what? Huh? I don't know, I can't hear. It's like echo.
There is no skateboarding allowed.
Alright. Yeah. I'm just gonna hear the echo.
Frank White push the 6 on the Lexus LX 4.5. Bulletproof glass tips if I want some ass. Gon' blast squeeze first.